All right, guys, so here are my rebuilt 928 S4 axles, or I should say rebuilt axle. I've done one, as you can see, the top one, and got that complete. I'm gonna move on to the other side now, and I just wanted to show you a side by side. Fairly straightforward. There's actually a few good threads on Renlist and also a couple of videos on YouTube. So really, I don't have anything to add to the content that's available online, but at least wanted to show you what I've been working on and just the overall rebuilt axle, and everything came out really nice. I spent a fair bit of time cleaning them, degreasing them. I soaked this end right here in degreaser and solvent for a couple of days. This piece cannot come out. Of course, this piece is pressed out and can come out. So this piece is basically submerged in solvent. It's like a carburetor cleaner type solvent, and that loosened up all the grease. And everything came out really nicely, and I was able to blow it all out with some compressed air and taking a lint-free rag as well. And so that wasn't too bad. One thing that I haven't seen online that is a good hint to pass along to you guys is these new rubber bellows or boots are very, very tight to go on the actual shaft itself. And maybe some guys would spray Simple Green or a little bit of soap. I've seen guys use a Ziploc bag. But here's the quickest thing to do. Instead of using any type of other chemicals, because they can get into the new grease and contaminate it, my recommendation is to just take the bellows and just put it in hot water for a few minutes and let it expand or get soft, I should say. And that'll help get the rubber such that it becomes more pliable, and you can slide it down the shaft and then fit it over the flanges at either end. So just a tip there. That's a tip from my days of dealing with silicone couplings on turbo cars. Of course, I own a bunch of turbo cars, so a good tip to pass along there. And these Oetica, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, clamps, you need the special tool for that, and I recommend getting the actual tool that has the side clamp. This one doesn't. I bought this from Amazon, and it doesn't have the side clamp, so get the one with the side clamp, and then you can easily tighten them down and have a nice dust-free and debris-free fit, because as you know, this is pretty close to the ground when it's on the car. Other than that, I also wire brushed this end right here, and I cleaned it whistle clean, and then I painted the ends. So you can see what the 31-year-old end looks like, and these ones cleaned up really nice, and so yeah, that came out good, as did the flange as well. So overall, very pleased with how everything came out, and now it's time to tackle the other side, and then get it back on the car this weekend. So it'd be good to finally get this little project complete, and don't have to worry about these axles for a while. So anyway, hope that helps. Take care. Bye.